hard.
Mixing things up with
Here you stay.
I wonder what's going on with the left knee at BK. It's wrapped up. I wonder if that's because of injury.
Take it. Take that motherfucker. See what's up.
Maybe he left that way to keep it from getting straight scratch if he goes for a takedown. But it's unusual.
Oh, Suarez!
Both these men came in perfect condition. Well, you know what? If you have a knee injury, you want to talk about it.